Yeah, Nandini is studying BCom, na?
BBA, sir.
BBA. Okay, good,
Yes, sir.
good. What is the important news that stays in your mind? Today, yesterday, day before yesterday, did you read some newspapers?
Sir, regarding bank or regarding any of the
Anything,
newses?
anything.
So the latest is elections in in my place,
Acha.
in
Tell me,
Mysore, yeah.
yeah. When is the
So on
election due?
26th, no, it was conducted on 26th.
It is already over. Oh,
Yes, sir. It's over.
so did you go for voting?
Yes, sir.
Good. Congrats. Congrats. Very happy. In fact, I could not do it, you see. I was in India till 17th. Then the election took place on 19th. Unfortunately, I had to miss it. So that was the problem. Good. Now, why should a person exercise his franchise? Tell me, Nandini.
Uh, so because we as the responsible citizens of the nation, we should be responsible enough to cast votes so that the right party comes to power so that they work for the country's betterment.
Hmm, correct. Hmm, how many banks have you visited? Which bank
So
branches
me,
have yeah, Nandini? How many bank
uh,
branches have you visited?
so I've visited only one branch. Tomorrow we're planning to go to one more branch.
Etc. You are talking about Federal Bank.
Yeah,
I am asking in general, what are the banks you have seen?
Indian Overseas Bank and Union Bank.
Etc. You also visited Federal Bank.
Yeah.
Tell me the plus points of Federal Bank
So about the brand in terms of branch or in
in
general?
terms of the appearance and all that. Otherwise, I'm not asking about figures and all. Appearance and
Okay.
working.
Okay. Uh, the branch which I visited was a very new branch. It was around 8-month old branch. So the appearance was very good compared to the banks which I have visited earlier. And also here, the facilities were also good in terms of Wi-Fi and the cleanliness part, and things were very much organized.
What did you say? Wi-Fi?
I mean,
What did you say? Wi-Fi?
yeah,
So they
yeah,
provide Wi.
Wi-Fi.
They
No, no,
provide.
not for the customers.
Hmm.
No, sir, not for the customers. In bank, usually, whenever we go to Union Bank, they always say that the Wi-Fi is very much slow, so the banking activities are delayed.
Oh, oh, acha, acha. You mean to say that internet was good in that branch?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes,
That's good. Now we will
the
go
internet
to
connectivity was good.
very good. Mr. Jatin.
Yes, sir.
Jatin, please tell
Yes, sir.
me how much is 1 million?
So 1 million equal to 10 lakhs, sir.
How much is 1 billion?
So 1 billion equal to 100 lakh.
Huh?
No, oh, sir, 1 crore, sorry.
Huh?
1 crore.
Then what is billion?
So 1 billion equal to 1 crore, no?
Then what is billion? Then why are we calling it by a different name? Crore, billion. So
Sir,
that means,
like 1 million equal to 10 lakh and 1 billion equal to, sir, 100 crore.
ah, why
Sorry, sir.
did you commit mistake?
Sorry, sir.
Your BBA student.
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, good. So why should I not select you?
Why should, sir, I don't think you will not select me, sir, because I have the capabilities. What are the job requirement? What are the job requires? Because whatever skills I have, that is very compatible to the job. For example, I have the communication skill as well as I can I have the communication skills as well as I'm good in problem solving. So which the job demands.
How bank earns money? Jatin.
So banks earn money like from the different areas. For example, when the banks lends money to the customers, so they earn in the form of interest.
Mm,
They earn in the form of interest in the form of deposits, because whatever deposit they are getting, they are giving as a loan, or say, and also from the para banking activities. For example, from the mutual funds,
mm.
from the mutual funds, from the insurance. Sorry, sir.
Mutual fund canvassing.
From the insurance also, sir.
Insurance policies canvassed. Okay,
Currency, locker rent.
good.
So,
Now, can you tell us about your college?
okay. I am studying in the Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham. So it is a NAC A plus accredited college.
Mm,
We have the different departments such as computer science department, commerce and management department, viscom department, and science department.
mm,
We have one library which is accessible to all the departments and the HOD also.
mm,
Our chancellor is Mata Amritananda Mai.
mm.
Yes, sir.
Now, banking is a service sector. Then why is it that aspirants are reluctant to enter banks like Kotak Mahindra or HDFC?
Banking is relevant to-
Jatin.
Yes, sir.
I know it's a very silly question, but they are asking.
Sir, banking 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 sector is one of the emerging sector in the country. I feel that any sector, you take any sector, it requires banking facilities. So that's why the aspirants want to join some premium banks like Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank, because of the many reasons such as the job security is there, the growth is there, and
I
the
think you are
also
not. I think you are not understood the question. Read the question properly. Number by
banking
5 question.
banking is a service sector. Then why is that aspirants are reluctant to enter banks like Kotak Mahindra and or HDFC?
Reluctant. What is the meaning of reluctant, Jatin?
So reluctant means willing to enter.
No, totally wrong. Reluctant means not willing.
Oh, okay, sir. Hesitation, right?
Not hesitation. Reluctant means agree नहीं करता है.
Okay, sir.
You,
Not agreeing.
तब तो meaning you understood totally wrongly. अभी answer कीजिए.
Banking service, then why it is that aspirants are reluctant to enter banks like so the growth in the banking sector is very limited. Like there is a saying, once a banker is always a banker. So the many students, many employees who are working there, they want a growth in their life. So the in terms of banking, the growth is limited. That's why the most of the students are not
So you
joining the
mean to
banking
say
sector.
people are not preferring Kotak Mahindra or HDFC Bank because it is growth opportunities are less. That's what you want to say?
Yes, sir. What I mean.
Yeah. Sanjay, you tell me, you answer this question. Banking
Yes,
is a
sir.
service sector. Why is it aspirants are reluctant to join Kotak Mahindra or HDFC?
So maybe the work pressure over there and target achieving would be more compared to other banks. Maybe something like that.
Something like that, if you say, they will not give credit to you. Whatever you speak, you must speak firmly. Understand?
So yes, sir. So the work pressure and achieving the target, like getting loans, so would be high comparative to other banks, where otherwise in other banking sectors, there's not that much pressure would be there. So I think this
Okay,
would be the reason that why people are that reluctant.
very good. Not bad, but still some more reasons can be told. We can go to our Kaviram. Kaviram is an experienced person. Kaviram, why are you
Yes,
supposing I give you appointment now in HDFC, will you go and join?
I will join, sir, but there are some uh, I will join, sir. Sure, sir.
Now, why people are reluctant to join? People are not happy to go there. Why?
Actually, I don't know the exact reason, sir, but it may be due to the pressure from their side to do some
Not
activities.
not only pressure, but also the job growth career prospects are not good. Plus, salary offered is low. Now, a clerical staff in our banks will get 40,000 rupees. Yesterday only I was talking to a girl who was joined through last Pan India recruitment from Rajasthan. She's just a BCom graduate. She has joined. And she was telling it is 40,000 rupees salary now, even in a semi-urban area. If you come to a city, probably you may get 45,000 or so. Whereas your FedEx, HDFC Bank and all, they will pay only 20,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees. If they find somebody is so weak, they won't pay even 15,000 rupees. The pay packet offered is very low.
One of my sister's friend is working in IDBI, sir, as a clerk. She's getting a
25,000. Huh?
Yes, sir. She's getting around 30,000. And
Second,
I told to her, yes,
after 1 year, it is 30,000.
I told to her they offer the salary about 40,000. She asked me how they will offer. For me, through IBBS, I got only 30,000. How are you saying you will get 40,000 through
In,
campus recruitment? She asked
in Federal Bank, they are offering, like public sector bank, they are offering. Whereas IDBI Bank, once they were paying IBS salary. Now, after becoming privatized, they have started having two types of scales. One IBA scale, other scale is non-IBA scale. That is why this problem. Because they had losses, The company, the bank was in loss. That is why now it is being privatized and all that. Okay, very good.
okay, sir.
Now we will go to Sanjay. Sanjay, please tell me something about the present position of agriculture in Tamil Nadu. Whatever good points you can think of, please
So
tell us.
actually,
Yes, please.
So actually, Tamil Nadu, yes, sir. Actually, Tamil Nadu is the highest production in paddy. So we supply more amount of rice comparatively to other states. So we produce more amount of paddy as well as other vegetables like brinjal. So and the exports the exports like mushroom and prawn cultivation has been more so, like in Tamil Nadu compared to other states. So as we know that agriculture is the backbone of India, we have a good future in agriculture. So as the population has been increasing, food production has been decreasing. So agriculture plays a vital role nowadays. So people are mostly depending upon agriculture nowadays. And Tamil Nadu is also producing a good amount and showing a good amount of yield results. Actually,
Tamil
Uttar
Nadu
Pradesh
is not,
stands first.
Tamil Nadu is not on top. First standing is West Bengal. First is West Bengal. I am showing you on the screen. Are you
Yes, sir.
seeing now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Such points you must read, Sanjay. General points like what are the important things cultivated? I mean, in which cultivation Tamil Nadu stands on top? Then what are the crops that are grown more in Tamil Nadu? In terms of Indian ranking, where we stand, we are at 8th rank or so. Maybe it would have improved to 7th or so. This is as on 2014-15. But Abhi
2014.
position 2014. Abhi Nai, what maybe it would not have
In
changed
10
much.
years.
Not much of a change. And the actual production of rice figure is wrong. Actual production, India, actual production of rice. Acha. Here also they are giving the old one, 44 to 100, but now it must be very good. How much rice is produced now? 135 million metric ton
135.
in 2023. And for such
And even
purposes,
in tea exports, Nilgiri stands second.
Acha, insightIAS.com. I told you this, you are aware of this site, na? I have told you, correct? Hello,
Insights, no, sir.
you don't know? I must have.
No, sir. It's
Oh, Insight IAS, or I have given 1 minute. I have just today given a link in one of the groups, in our group, NIACL group for those candidates. Now, United India interview is also going on. So this is the thing. NIACL interview. Oh, where did I give it? Did I give it in Federal Bank? Fed PO plus. No, where did I give? Somewhere I gave, Baba. How I am missing it? Just the previous class, I was having that one. Insight ias.com.agriculture. Insight ias.com.agriculture. Yes, Mr. What is your name? Sanjay.
Sanjay, sir. Yes.
Please note it.
Yes,
This is a very good bunch of information for you. Please don't miss it. I don't know how I have not told you. I must have given it earlier. So once you click this, you will get everything about India, agriculture, role of agriculture in Indian economy, major cropping patterns in various parts of the country, then irrigation and irrigation systems, agricultural marketing issues, e-technology in the aid of farmers, farm subsidies and MSP, public distribution system, buffer stocks and food security, economics of animal rearing, food processing and related industries, land reforms in India. Everything is given here. But in the interview, they will ask something other than this. For example, what is the total grains production in our country? Some such silly questions they will ask. Of course, in Federal Bank, they don't trouble you to that extent. Even then, you please get to know more about Tamil Nadu and more especially Coimbatore, like that. Okay,
Okay.
very good. Then why did you choose agriculture, Sanjay? Why did you choose agriculture?
Actually, as I said, my father is a farmer, so that made me a keen interest to take up agriculture.
Acha,
And
very
I
good.
actually I wanted to know of agriculture in a modern way in my own land area. So that made me to choose agriculture.
But don't tell this as
So
an
needed
answer.
technologies to.
Don't tell this as an answer because you said you want to do marketing, agriculture in a modern way, but you are going to join a bank. So I don't think that is a correct
Yes.
answer.
Okay.
Or maybe you can
No.
say, I can gain knowledge and tell my daddy, who is not going to accept your views because he has been doing for 40 years. Why should he listen to you? Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Good. Sakti Soumya. Sakti Soumya, please tell
Yes,
me
sir.
what is digital banking?
So digital banking is that it is a way of using transferring monies and more. It will be using digitalized in a digitalized way. So I don't know correct appropriate answers.
I do not know correct, appropriate. Correct is also you are telling double positive or double negative. You know, it's not required. Huh?
Okay.
What did you say? I don't know correct appropriate. Very interesting. Now the question is about digital banking in India. Supposing we search like this, the first bank to introduce digital banking in India was ICICI Bank. Digital banking started taking shape in India during the late 1990s. ICICI Bank was the first one to introduce this service to their retail customers. However, it gained popularity in 1999 with reduced internet charges and increased awareness. What is your name? Shakti Somya. Please read this. Is digital banking safe in India? Please tell.
The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) gives the highest importance to the security controls around the digital payment systems in India. There is a lot of emphasis on the safety and security of digital transaction for their users. Is India ready for digital only banks? The idea of having digital only banks as the way to power credit growth in India is valid. Considering that India has transformed itself with its global first and pioneering digital public infrastructure. What is the concept of digital banking? A digital banking service is a banking activity or service whose facilities use an electronic or digital system through the property of bank, the property of prospective customer or a customer of the bank, all processes of which are carried out independently and automated. What is the best digital bank in India? HDFC Bank Saving Account, Kotak 811 Savings Account, ICICI Bank Savings.
Here only problem. Kotak Mahindra has been told by RBI not to open any new accounts, not to issue any new cards and all that. Yeah, continue. ICICI. Please
Axis
read.
Bank Savings Account,
Hmm.
AU Small Finance, a bank digital savings account,
Hmm.
IndusInd Bank.
Hmm.
Sir,
Indus,
that page is
IndusInd Bank. Another page has come. IndusInd Bank.
Citibank, Paytm Payments Bank.
Yeah, Citibank is not there now. It's only Axis Bank. It's only Axis Bank. Yeah. From online, we came here. Acha, good. Which state in India has the first digital banking? Kerala. First digital banking was in Kerala. What are the 5 disadvantages of electronic banking? Please read disadvantages.
Disadvantages of online banking: no actual branches, tech-related service disruptions, concerns and identity, theft and security, deposits restrictions, faster is not always more convenient, no relationship with the personal bank, limited service scope, possibility of overspending.
See, actually, I am now experiencing it. I made a payment of 18,000 rupees on 23rd of April for my SBI card from my Canara Bank account through Phone Pay. So what has happened? The money is showing in Phone Pay as the payment successful, but the money has been debited in my account also, but it is not credited to my SBI card account. Now, whom to contact, how to contact, it becomes a very big problem. And I have sent messages, I have raised tickets and all that. Phone Pay says in the end, the ticket is resolved, but the problem was not sorted. Now, later on, when I contacted them over phone, they said, sir, the matter is under correspondence with the visa company. That visa company has to reconcile and credit to you, and it may take 10 days from today. Like that, they had initially put what is that status, pending, resolved ticket, whereas now they have changed it as waiting on third party. So this is one problem of digital banking, where we don't know whom should we talk. And an educated person like me also is facing problem. Then you can understand about the uneducated people. Please read Sakti Somya. How many
How many
people?
people use digital banking in India? India is estimated to have had the highest number of digital banking users in the world in 2022. The number of users in India stood at roughly 295.5 million, more than 70 million more than in the US, which ranked second.
Yeah. Yeah. Please read.
Can digital banking be hacked? The biggest risk of online banking is that someone will access your savings or checking account and steal your information and money. This typically happens when your account is hacked by cyber criminals who get your username and password. Is India going cashless? External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has said India conducts as many cashless transactions in a month as the United States does in 3 years, highlighting the country's deep embrace of technology in payments. What is the cashless currency in India? The digital rupee is a digital currency that would be issued by the RBI, the central bank and regulatory body of the Indian banking system. It should be a type of digital currency that can be used for transaction between individuals and business, as well as for government services. What is the conclusion of digital banking in India? It has been concluded that digital banking has greatly reduced banking operations costs. This has enabled banks to charge lower fees for service while delivering higher interest rates on deposits. Is, G, is Gcash a digital bank? Gcash is not a bank. It cannot accept deposits, but it does nearly everything else a consumer bank might. It has a savings like function that is used by Filipinos with bank accounts. What is digital banking risk? It includes cybersecurity risk, the risk of non-compliance with data protection regulations, and the risk of legacy systems. While banks develop through plans for dealing with financial risk, they may not be aware of technological risk. Banks might face several challenges when they try to mitigate technology risks.
Yeah, this much is sufficient for that question. Sakti
Yes, sir.
Soumya. Very good. Thank you. Now we will go to Sriya. Sriya, debit card and what transactions they are applicable to. What is a debit card? What transactions it can be done through a debit card? Sriya.
Yes, sir. Debit card is an electronic card given by your bank, connected related to your savings account. And as it is related to your savings account, you can draw money from debit card, and there will be no interest charged on it because the money comes from your own account. But when it comes to a credit card, it is like a loan given by the bank where you have to pay. Where you have to pay an interest, and the credit that you the credit or the loan that the bank is given is decided through your financials and a credit score.
Sorry. I asked about debit card. Why are you telling me about credit card?
Difference between debit card and
Why
credit card.
did I ask you?
No, sir.
Then you told only about the point that you can take money from your account. You must have told me a debit card is also used for purchasing goods from shops. It
Yes,
is
sir.
also used for making online purchases. Like that, those points can be told. Correct?
Yes.
Can you revise your answer and try properly now?
Yes, sir. Debit card is a electronic card given by the banks, which is linked to a savings account, and it can be used for many purposes like shopping, expenses, and also drawing money from the ATMs. And here in debit cards, you do not have to pay any interest because the money is taken out from your own savings account.
No, you omitted that point, that online transactions, e-commerce,
E-commerce markets as well.
that omitted, and there is no need for you to tell about not taking payment of interest and all. No need. Okay.
Yes.
I think you can use that even for depositing cash. In some banks, they have a what is that, cash denominator machine.
Sir, does cash recyclers means where we can deposit our money is
Yeah,
cash
for
recycler.
using this card, you have to put that card and then use that machine, cash recycler machine. You can deposit money into your account also using a debit card. Understand? And I understand it is only each bank separate. For example, Bank of India's cash recycler machine will work only for Bank of India. It will not work. You can't remit money using Indian Bank ATM card, and you want to remit into Indian Bank's SB account in Bank of India. It is not possible. Did you follow? Yeah, very good. Yeah, that okay. That was Sriya. That was Sriya. Now Harshini. Harshini.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Harshini is from which college? I have forgotten. I am
Andhra
forgetting.
University College of Engineering for Women.
See,
Visakhapatnam.
true. Then you are going to Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, India, world. What is the point? You are not giving me extra useful information. For this question, I would have expected an answer. I am from this college or university studying this degree. Don't you feel it is required?
Yes, sir. I'm currently pursuing my BTech final year, sir, from Andhra University College of Engineering for Women in the domain of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Babre, 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 bab. Simply, you could have told me I am doing BTech Electronic ECE. Finished.
Yes, sir.
You want to tell I am studying in Andhra University in Visakhapatnam, started in the year so and so, and I am studying BTech final year technology. What is that? ECE, babre, bab. So this is what is known as, how do we present things briefly? That is the practice you could have done in all these days. I am not teaching you anything new. Everything is available in the video. Everything is available in the material. But you must have learned how to speak properly, how to speak effectively. Many of us, when we are asked, what are you doing? I am studying. What are you doing in studying? I am studying degree. What degree are you studying? Bab. You have to be going on, ask more questions. Arshini, do you find your mistake?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా? మీరు ఎందుకు అలా చేస్తుంటారు? ఇప్పుడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కు బాగా ఆన్సర్ చేయండి అర్షిని గారు. What motivated you to apply at Federal Bank?
Yes, sir. Federal Bank is a Federal Bank. Yes, sir. Federal Bank is a women-centric bank, sir. It has 49 to 51 ratio of the female to male. So it is
41,
woman-centric bank
41,
and it
41.
49. Yes,
No,
41.
41%. Doesn't matter. Continue.
Yes, sir. And it has also many policies which has which benefits the employees, and it is also having the policies which benefits the customers. It is ethically and morally a good bank, and it also has a good digital marketing. Good digital bank. It is also a good digital bank. It as we know, it has a tagline of your perfect banking partner. So it is consistently working on to be the most admired bank, which have inspired me to work with federal banks.
Not bad. Dharani, tell me what prompted you to apply for Federal Bank? Dharani.
Yes, sir. So
That,
first of all, the
Dharani,
role,
Dharani is in which college?
I'm from Andhra University as well, sir.
Same, ECE.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. Acha, you both of you are from the same class?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shreya too. We three
Oh,
are.
Yes, sir.
oh, very nice, very nice, very nice. Acha, among you two, who is sitting in the front bench, Arshini or Dharani?
We sit in the same
Actually,
bench,
we are
sir.
same bench, sir. Exactly.
Almost in the same bench.
Same bench in the middle or in the end?
Middle, sir.
Yes,
Middle. Very good. Dharani, please tell me why you wanted to, what motivated you to apply to Federal Bank?
Yes, sir. First, I want to say the role which I'm applying for. It is a customer-oriented role, so customer interaction role. Since I am a team. I mean, I'm very good with interacting with people of all ages, and I'm also confident in my communication skills. I feel that this is a role which I'm seeing for, and as a fresher, I would say I want to work in a place where uh, the basic ethics and rules of the company are good. Like I want to interact with my team, and I want to also I want to work with a company where my opinion matters. And as we know that Federal Bank has, as already Harshni mentioned, it has a ratio of 41 is to 49 female to male ratio. I would say
41
that
is to
for people,
41 is to 59. Huh?
yeah,
How much?
yes, sir.
I don't know. Oh, yeah, 59.
59,
Correct.
yeah,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. Tell me.
So I would say that women are also equally treated with men, and also I would say that since the first thing that attracted me about Federal Bank is its digitalization. As I'm an engineering student, I'm very much enthusiastic in the coming technology. The application of technology basically, since banking connecting with digitalization, and also 86% of the digitalization, the profits of a bank, for Federal Bank has been occurred from its digitalization. So I would say it also attracted me more, and also some of its scholarships and funds which are given under the name of its founder also made me uh, go towards it. It is very attractive for me, and since it's a good role and something which I'm very interested to, I would say I would choose Federal Banks.
Viswa, please tell me what is meant by CRR.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, tell me.
Cash reserve ratio is called the CRR, sir.
Okay. Tell me about it.
Cash reserve ratio is the amount of liquid cash the bank should keep given to the RBI, sir. If you, for example, now current rate is 4.5%. For example, bank having 1,000 rupees of liquid cash, they need to give 45 rupees of liquid cash to the RBI to secure, sir.
It is not liquid cash. Net demand and time liabilities.
Okay, sir.
4.5% of the
To maintain the inflation, sir.
net demand and time liabilities of the bank has to be kept in its current account with Reserve Bank of India. Okay. Biswa, next question for
Okay,
you.
sir.
Tell me something about SLR.
SLR, solitary liquidity ratio, sir. It is a
What liquidity ratio?
solitary liquidity ratio, sir.
Solitary.
Solitary liquidity ratio.
Statutory.
Oh, okay, statutory liquidity ratio. Okay.
Statutory. What is the spelling?
STATURA, something, I can't remember it, sir.
STATUTORY. Statutory. Statutory
sir.
means as per law.
Law,
Statutory
okay, sir.
liquidity ratio. How much is it?
It is 18% currently, sir.
18% of net demand and time
Net demand.
liabilities.
Time liabilities, okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Next, we will go to Raj Choksi. Raj Choksi,
Yes, sir.
you are an engineer or what?
No, sir. BBA student.
Please tell me what is the repo rate? When will Reserve Bank of India reduce a repo rate?
So the repo rates are the monetary instrument used by the Reserve Bank of India to maintain the liquidity in the economy of the India. So repo rates, Reserve Bank issues repo rates when they want to increase the supply of money in the economy of India. They issue repo rate in the exchange of government security to the commercial banks.
What is the present repo rate?
Actually, I don't know, sir.
6.5%.
Okay, sir.
6.5%. What is the interest rates in Federal Bank?
I don't know, sir.
What did you do all these days? What were you doing? Huh?
Actually,
don't
this
know.
is my second class, sir.
Which interview? What is the date of interview for you? 4th.
4th May.
Why are you not fully prepared? What is NPA?
NPA is non-performing asset, sir.
What is it?
So the NPA means when the bank lends a loan and the interest is not paid till 90 days from the due date, that is considered as a non-performing asset. That account is considered as a non-performing asset.
In a loan account where installment or interest is not repaid for 90 days from the due date, it is considered as NPA. Okay, not bad. Mohammed.
Yes, sir.
Please sell a blackboard. Talk to me. Which is your mother tongue?
Urdu, sir.
Urdu. Talk to me
Yes.
in Hindi. Talk to me in Hindi.
Hindi. Okay, sir.
A blackboard आप उसको बिक्री करना है, वो बिक्री करने के समय पर कैसे क्या क्या पॉइंट्स बोल के आप उसको बिक्री करेंगे?
सर, ये ब्लैक बोर्ड अच्छी क्वालिटी की है सर। इस पर आप चॉक पीस से अच्छी तरह लिख सकते हैं। इसका फिटिंग भी हम करवाएंगे एट द टाइम ऑफ डिलीवरी हमारे स्टाफ को भेज के। आपको बेस्ट प्राइस पे ये बोर्ड आपको बिकेगा। पूरा मार्केट में ऐसा रेट आपको नहीं मिलेगा। ये बोर्ड हमने ऑलरेडी ऐसे बहुत सारे बोर्ड बेच दिए। हमारे पास अच्छा कस्टमर बेस भी है। आप हमारे रिव्यूज भी चेक कर सकते हैं। आप ये बोर्ड आंख बंद करके खरीद सकते हैं।
You can close your eyes and then buy this. That's right. Then Danu Prakash Talari. Danu Prakash Talari. You
Yes,
are
sir.
from which state?
Sir, Andhra Pradesh, sir. I'm from Vizag.
Vizag. Acha, acha. Good. Can you sell that blackboard in English?
Yeah. Yes, sir. So, sir, you're looking for a blackboard, right? So we have a variety of options and variety of colors. You can choose what you want, and it is smooth, and it is reliable, and it can be used for your long-term purpose as well. It might cost a bit, but I can say it also helpful uh, to use for longer terms. So if you're okay with it, I will like show you different models and the boards that are available right now. So do you want me to show those things?
No, but don't in interview situations, do not put such questions to the interviewer. Will you be putting this question to interviewer?
I mean, I want to make it like conversation, so it will be like then if interviewer may ask me like uh you have to interact with the customer. Like if you like talk, you only talk, how can like customer can ask you questions? I was thinking that way, sir.
No, but here you are going to sell means you are going to tell the plus points of your product, compare it with other products, and try to use some adjectives and try to project it nicely and see that you are able to sell it.
All right.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Next is who are the people there online? 1 minute. Banu, Dharani, Harshini, Jatin, Kaviram, Lalit Kumar. Lalit Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Lalit Kumar, you are from Andhra.
Andhra Pradesh. Yes, sir.
ఏం చదువుతున్నారు?
బీటెక్ ఈసీ, sir.
బీటెక్ ఈసీ. కరెక్ట్. అంటే how many languages you know?
3, sir.
What are the languages you know?
Telugu fluently, perfectly, sir. English fluently, sir. Hindi a little bit, sir.
Acha, good. Now, can you tell me different types of loans that banks are giving?
Yes, sir. So banks are issuing home loans, gold loans, education loans, and car loans, property loans, like whatever property we want to buy, we can get a loan on that, sir.
You said home loan, property loan. Are they different?
Yes, sir. Like home loan is to construct our home, sir, and property is to buy the property, sir.
I don't know. Property loan means normally we tell when you are borrowing against a property which you are already owning. Whereas housing loan is a concept where you are paid money for construction of houses or buying of a
New house, sir.
residential property or commercial property. Doesn't matter. Good. Now, of these loan accounts, have you availed a education loan from bank?
Yes, sir.
Which bank?
Canada Bank, sir. I have availed my education.
What are the forms you have to fill in? What are the conditions they prescribed before giving you this loan?
Sir, I don't remember forms which I have filled, sir, because as my dad is working in Canada Bank, he just made this process easy, sir. But I'm aware of the conditions while filling this form, sir. Like I should maintain 8 points in the academics in order to continue this loan, sir. And after immediate finishing of BTech, the loan will start reflecting like monthly interest, sir. And the tenure of up to 20 years, I guess, sir. I don't remember, sir.
If you tell like this, will you be given good marks? No.
Means I
You,
don't have proper knowledge on the loans, sir.
I
with the
am
education.
asking about the loan which has been given to you by your bank. If you can't know that, then how can I believe you are going to remember about all that we are going to do in Federal Bank? And you are banker's son.
Yes, sir.
Then we expect you much more than what we expect from others. Understand? Lalit
Yes, sir.
Kumar.
Understood.
Lalit
Understood.
Kumar. Lalit Kumar,
Yes, sir.
can you tell about your achievements?
Yes, sir. So first of all, my greatest achievement is I'm a badminton player, sir. I played for 7 years, and I played up to states and nationals also, sir.
Oh,
And which I played for South Zones also. Through
good.
played for Geetham University. I mean, in representing Geetham University, sir. I have this is the major achievement I have did, sir, so far. The remaining achievements are I have achieved a good CGPA in my academics through even in 10th and inter, sir, and also in BTech, sir.
Good. Not bad. Very good. Excellent.
Yes, sir. These are the achievements.
That is sufficient. Thank you. Now I think all of you have answered today, na? One or the other. Anybody has not answered today? Everybody has answered. Yeah, good. Now, who can answer me about different deposit accounts? What are the different deposit accounts of Federal Bank? Yes, please. Who can answer? Anybody? Should I mention? Just a minute. Let me come. Then I will ask federalbank.co.in. Mr. Kaviram, please tell about deposit products of our bank.
Yes, sir. Savings account, current account, and fixed deposit account, and recurring deposit account.
That's correct. Can you tell me some different types of deposit savings accounts in our bank? I know it will be difficult for you to remember everything, but at least 2 or 3 savings accounts. You have been reading for last 3 months about Federal Bank. Can you tell me 1 or 2 or 3 accounts of savings bank accounts?
Savings account, bank account. Sorry, sir, I couldn't be able to remember now the names.
No. Which ones will you be having in your mind? That is what, at least I am not in favor of asking you to memorize about all this, but sometimes when they ask about savings accounts, and supposing they ask, what is this stellar savings account? Stellar savings account. Anybody knows what is a stellar savings account? Open a stellar savings account. Stellar's daily health, mental wellness, telemedicine, offline care, complimentary insurance plan, milestone awards, remit 10K, then something like that. Debit card issuance fee rupees 300, debit card AMC 300, and account opening, wellness, general queries. I don't know what is this stellar, why they are linking it to this. Maybe it is related to health. Maybe it is related to health, but this is boring, not interesting. We will go for something else. Celesta, I think that is good one. Na? Family banking program, no, that's not required. Fed Bank selfie, we will take this. Yeah, at least this one. Fed Bank selfie, Fed book selfie, What are the salient features? Kabiram, please read the salient features.
Yes, sir. Online account opening through Fed mobile app, free internet banking, free email account statement, no minimum balance stipulation, free mobile banking, 10 check leaves per year, MasterCard Crown debit card, free email alerts, RTGS NEFT charges will be reversed for transaction originated through digital channels up to 4 transactions below 50,000 per month.
Good. Excellent. So likewise, then this Mahamitra Plus, this one also we can know because it is talking about women. It is talking about women. I will ask Sriya to read this. Sriya, please read the features. Mahamitra Plus, Magila Mitra Plus, sorry. Magila. Sriya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
read.
sir. Mahila Mitra Plus is a savings account exclusively for women, endowed with exciting features like complimentary insurance, special rate on home loans, free RTGS, NEFT facility. I can't see, sir. One second.
We are not able to see. 2 0 balance kids account.
2 0 balance kids account, exciting debit card offers, and much more because every woman deserves more. Free NEFT RTGS facility, free monthly demand draft limit of rupees 50,000, complimentary insurance up to 80.75, free 20 check leaves per half year.
No, 80.75 lakh. Probably lakh. Yeah, continue. Free
20 check leaves per half year. What does that mean, sir?
That is, every 6 months they will give you a check leaf book containing 20 leaves. But nowadays it has lost its relevance because no longer are we making payment in checks. Very rarely. Only businessmen may be doing it. Otherwise, now everybody is making payment through online, through Gpay or PhonePe or Paytm, or online itself from your own bank account, you can remit. So no,
Yes,
the
sir.
use of check leaves has come down heavily, but at the same time, it stays as it is. Now continue. Special rates.
Special rates on home loan, 0.60% lower than bank's card rate. 2 free Fed First SB account in the name of minor children with no minimum balance stipulation. 1 folio free per quarter, 50% concession on processing fee, admission fee for home loans. Exciting debit card offers on Amazon, Big Basket, Make My Trip, Goibibo, Swiggy, and Inox. Contactless Visa Classic Crown debit card with daily ATM limit of 50,000 and POS / e-com limit of 1 lakh. Federal Bank Federal Rewards, earn reward points on your debit card spends online, POS, FedNet, and Fed Mobile. 1 reward point for every 200 rupees spent.
But we can't be remembering all this, but simply tell free NEFT RTGS, free demand draft limit, free check leaves, then special concession rate for home loans, like that processing fee concession. These things, if you tell, these are sufficient. This is known as Magila Mitra Plus. All girls, please go through this. Without their asking also, you can use this information for questions like, what do you know about Federal Bank? Even though they are not asking, you can tell what you have come to know about Federal Bank. Is that okay? Very good. So thank you so much. Our next class will be at 8:30 p.m. tomorrow. Tomorrow nobody has asked for interview. Okay, no problem. First only Jatin is there, Nandini is there. Second, Raj Choksi is there. Very good. Other candidates, in case you get your email for your interview, please tell me immediately. Okay. Thank you so much. Nandini and Jatin, did you get email for your interview?
Yes, sir.
Does it contain the email ID of other candidates also, or only your email ID?
No, sir. They have given the timings, sir. Not
Only
other
other
timings,
email
sir.
ID. Oh, okay.
Timings and venue.
Very good. Anyhow, thank you so much.
Whether they have
Sir,
sent through mail
Yeah.
or
Yes, please.
sir,
how
we
did they
got
send
our
it?
interview date.
You got it.
Yes, sir.
Arshini has got interview date. Acha. Eppudundi?
Yes,
We
sir.
all
We three of us got the interview date, sir.
Which date?
Shriya's and Dharni's is on 7th, sir. Mine is on 9th of this May.
Acha. Shriya is having on 7th. So you people have taken first mock or not so far?
not yet, sir.
No, sir. Not.
Not yet
I
means
took a first mock, sir.
who has taken?
Harshini, sir.
Ashwini has taken.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Okay, our who will come? Dharani, na? Oh, who are the three? Arshini, Dharani, and Sriya. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sriya will take at 7:30 tomorrow. First, Sriya,
Okay, sir.
what is your first 5 numbers of cell phone?
9550, sir.
Okay.
9550.
Okay, nice. What about Dharani? Dharani Garu, your
970
97.
97015, sir.
Okay. Dharani, for you 8 p.m.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Tomorrow, first interview. Then second mark for our Sriya. When do you want Sriya? Tell me.
Sir,
Fifth,
around 4th or 5th. Oh, okay, sir. 5th is fine.
7:30 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Sriya. Then 8 p.m. is Dharani. Correct?
Yes.
Dharani.
Yes.
Or if you want, you can interchange. 7:30 Dharani, 8 o'clock Sriya. It is for you to decide and take
Yes.
it. And Harshini, for you, you
Yes,
can
sir.
have it on 7th May. 7th
Yes,
May,
sir.
7th May, 7:30 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Harshini, your first 5 numbers.
949496, sir. First 5 numbers.
Thank you. Sufficient.
Thank you, sir.
And please don't forget to come at 7:30 p.m. on 7th. And for these people, I have already told. Arshini, Dharani, and what happened? Priya, the moment we wanted to discuss about the interview date, your voice came down. Confidence level reduce over na kya?
Yes.
I-
sir, confidence down ho gaya.
What happened? You're such a bright girl. I am not seeing you. I have not seen you, but still, from your voice, I can guess you're a bright girl. Not that other two are in any way inferior, but of course, among the three, you were speaking with much more. I don't know how will Arshini rate. Arshini, you rate impartially among three of you who talked very nicely, comfortably.
It is Shriya, sir. She is very good at communication and interaction, and also
Yeah,
her personality is
very good. Personality, I'm not talking about it.
I mean, the way
Then
she
no,
interacts and the way she helps.
personality is also required in the sense you must be appearing to be a confident person. I'm not telling Dharani is not good or Arshini is not good. So Shriya, please
Yes, sir.
be confident. I am having more hopes on all the three of you.
Yes, sir.
I want all the three of you to clear. So please study for my sake. Go through Federal Bank website, go through the questions, and regarding your ECE, I don't know what questions will come, but still basic questions like ECE, what for it is useful in banking, what it is useful in other fields, I don't know. So you please prepare for those areas also. Very few questions only. Mainly they are going to ask which bank you are having account, why did you open account there, why don't you come to Federal Bank, like that. If you have not visited Federal Bank branch, please visit the branch tomorrow or day after tomorrow, see what it is, how it is. Okay.
Sir,
I know the difficulty. You are girls. I think all the three of you can go together. What is wrong in that? Or two of you can go together. Or you can take your daddy or brother with you, visit the branch, see how it is. Go with confidence. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Tomorrow, 8:30 p.m. Okay. We'll meet.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.